cut the bullshit. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crimson Company live from down here in the 205. And no, Miami, I'm not gonna talking about beating you or anything, because we already know that's gonna happen. I mean, obviously. And by the way, why don't you go ahead and you got 48 hours as it is to send me your crow videos. So get to it. Sweet, short, to the point, etc. You know how it's done. And go ahead and just start rehearsing now, because you're a joke, you're pathetic. You want to see something? Henry Toe-and-Toe coming down and knock your ass down. That's what's going to happen on Saturday. Jordan battle.
That's one of the reasons he continues to develop guys. Intercepted by Alabama, and this one's going the other way. A pick six for Jordan Battle and a 44-yard return. Bixby trying to cut it outside, nothing doing. Jordan Battle, the throw out to McKees, and he's got a first down. The big say number 0. Cam Brown in motion as Mon is going to flip it out there. He's wide open if he can get a block. And whoa, did he get deposited?
That's the Grim Reaper, baby. He'll fucking eat you and your mama. Oh, there's so many explosive players coming to this defense and returning to this defense, and you know, it's just gonna be a sight. It's just gonna be a beautiful sight. Just to that first snap, and to see that offense execute. It's gonna be another year for the Crimson Tide. That's not a prediction. That's a spoiler. I'm just ready for this again. It was such a great season last year. You know, working those home games and get ready to just crank it back up and do it again, and you know, really, you know, meeting Mac Jones and Landon Dickerson last 8 days, man, that just got me so ready for this, you know, because we're about to come back and do it again, and you can see the look in his eyes, you know. He fucking, you know, they're great, and actually at the moment I'm making this video, I was just looking at Facebook, and Hoss and damn Lawtide over here talking about this new Little Caesars pizza, man. I don't know if you can see that. Look, us Alabama fans, like, enough said. We're hungry, and it sucks to be you, Miami, because we got some eating to do, baby, and we're coming for you. And I'm just ready to get everybody out here in the Alabama Nation pumped up, ready to get up, rep that damn A. It's right here, and it's down here in the 205 with me, so give me a comment down below, and tell me what player you're looking forward to seeing the most. I mean, tell me what your favorite moment was from last year. Just, let's get it, baby. Let's get all the Alabama fans in here. Let's get everybody excited, and let's beat the shit out of these guys. Roll Tide.
We begin the fourth quarter.
Yeah, hey, it's crunch time. It's the last 15 minutes. You wanna be a champ? This is where you gotta finish. You know we out to win it, so we gon' go hard.